8 Transforming Furniture Solutions for Small Space Living. If your space is so small that you cannot decide on whether to have a comfortable bed or a space to entertain, take a look at Resource Furniture. This can be your go-to for putting transforming furniture pieces in every room of your home, like the Nuovoliola 10 Murphy bed. Hidden away in a cute little 3-seat sofa, this queen-sized bed not only disappears seamlessly into the decor, but it also transforms with hardly any hassle. The shelf that sits above the sofa even transitions smoothly into the foot of the bed, offering additional nighttime storage without any extra attachments. If you have more wall space than floor space, yet you still find yourself in need of extra seating whenever company comes, Studio Dror has just the thing for you. Created by ingenious designer Dror the pick chair takes just a second and only one hand to morph from captivating wall art to comfortable seating, and back to art. If you appreciate Dror's designs, check out the rolling Tumi suitcase that expands by stages, ending up twice as large as its original size. In just a few snaps, you are back to a modestly sized carry-on that is easy to store without taking up too much extra space in your home. The great thing about an industrial loft space, even a small one, is the open floor plan that allows you the flexibility to develop a number of options for furniture arrangement. If you have high ceilings, you may have an amazing amount of space overhead that may be going unused. With the Vancouver, Canada-based brand, Expand Furniture, you can monopolize on that space with transformable space solutions. Take a look at the do-it-yourself loft space that offers more space in which to live and more floors in which to enjoy it. It may not turn your loft into a duplex, but you can add a home office, a bedroom, or even just extra storage space while helping to give definition and separation to the rooms beneath. This innovation allows you to use more of your available vertical space. Even though transformable furniture pieces are perfectly suited for small space living, that does not mean that you have to live in a small space to fully appreciate them. If you have to decide on whether you can have an office or a bedroom, with the right transformable pieces, you do not have to choose one over the other. Kitchen space is also at a premium in a small home. A hardly existent kitchen can make preparing a full-sized meal challenging. Goci Bielejak, a Helsinki, Finland-based designer, has developed an answer. Another incredibly clever kitchen option, the Pia pop-up kitchen from Dizzconcept, is designed to give every appearance of a modern and stylish entertainment cabinet. It can even hold an actual television on a wall mount located on the inlet at the front of the cabinet. When its doors open to 90 or its full 120-degree span, an astonishingly well-appointed kitchen is revealed to include a dishwasher, waste disposal cabinet, an integrated refrigerator, along with a fully integrated hood, LED lighting, electrical outlets, and an open shelf that can hold a freestanding microwave oven. The doors are 6 inches deep and can be used to store dishes as well as utensils, bottles, and other cookware. The 6-foot-long countertop includes a sink, faucet, and stovetop. Another offering from Resource Furniture, the Goliath transforms from a small writing desk into a full dining table. Available in both indoor and outdoor materials, as well as a sturdy, reflective glass construction, this 17.5-inch desk uses lightweight aluminum leaves to expand to just over 9 feet with enough room to seat 10 guests comfortably. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.